So what's popping, fellow creators? It's been a long time and I consider this as my first official video. Sorry. And basically this is how the videos will be. Just me talking to the camera, things that I know and I think would be useful to you. So yeah, let's see how it goes in the future. Today we'll be talking about something really important. So when we narrow down to what actually is the problem of today, it's basically the question that's been asked over centuries and has various answers but never have been so simple and easy ever than this point of time. So as we are all stuck in lockdown, what is the basic problem that we all face? Money.
All you care about is money.
Let's actually dive into the seriousness of this video. We all know how people are jobless and finding it hard to manage financially. Especially it adds to the responsibility of the earning member in the family. So I thought, why does it have to be always that way? So growing up with that mindset, I always wanted to make money on my own. And looking at the opportunities, there are literally nothing. You have a better advantage if you were living in a Western country, but sadly we don't and we have to suffer. But listen to me, there is a way to earn money. In fact, there are multiple ways to earn money. But then that actually depends on the kind of exposure that you have to these online mode of making money. So the first and the most easy way to earn money online is through selling your stock images or stock footages. Since this channel is more focused on photography and videography and filmmaking, I thought to give that in the first place because that's something that everyone could relate to and it's kind of easy to do as well. Take out your phone, go through your gallery or take out your camera or any folder in your computer and go through the files. And I'm sure you'll have at least 5 to 10 pictures that you think is worthy of selling online. Go to some websites that actually take stock footages, but this is passive income, so your choices are very limited. Run away from India. Now the second way of making money online is a widely known fact. Now to do freelancing physically is not possible, especially if you're in the major cities which is being affected. Don't even think about it. But what you can do is go to websites like Fiverr and other websites that I'll list down in the description. Go check them out and put up an ad saying that you can do such and such thing. Now for example, let's say you go into Fiverr. So go to Fiverr and post an ad saying you will do such and such a thing. If you're lucky, you'll turn that passive into an active source of income. But the difficulty in all these online sources is that you either need a PayPal account or a PAN card to create a PayPal account. So if you have either of those, it's kind of easy for you, or else run away from India. It works. Now if you're wondering what kind of services that you could provide, or I don't have that specific skill to provide service, it's not actually big of a deal because there are people who really pay for coming up with different unique names for business or for designing a basic banner in Canva that you can do for free. So there are a lot of opportunities. That is kind of sorted out. Now the third way to earn money kind of demands a certain level of expertise or experience in that. So anyway, let me put it out. You can do digital marketing, promoting products or services through Instagram or Facebook ads. That again you can learn on YouTube for free. It actually makes a lot of money for a passive income. So yeah, those are the 3 viable options that I can think of. Just wanted to make this video. I thought it would be helpful for people who are going through financial struggles.
A few inches later.
So yeah, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out on the future videos that I'll be uploading. And if you like this content, please let me know by liking the video and commenting which of these 3 alternative online source of income would you be trying out. And if you did, let me know in the comments what are your feedbacks and stuff. Yeah. That said, it's me Augustin signing off for today's video and I'll see you again in another video. Peace!